going to make turkey enchiladas with mole. We've got the leftover turkey that we shredded, and we made the mole with the turkey stock. So this would be a great opportunity to, just put them together. And making enchiladas is usually Kelly's job, and she has decided she does not want to do this today.
I would have to put real clothes on.
This is going to be
not that
This is going to be an experiment. I've watched many times. I haven't made enchiladas for a long time, so
you supervise.
It's going to be fun. It'll be fun. So I have my turkey, and first of all, we're going to prepare our meat. So I'm going to put the turkey in a pan. And
we had that frozen, by the way.
Yes. But a bit of front burner. And I'm going to go on a medium lowish sort of heat. And what I want for this is just to add some flavor so that the flavor's packed up inside that enchilada. And so I'm going to put some of my mole in there. This mole is pretty thick.
All you need to do is just moisten.
Which is not a bad thing.
Moisten the meat a little bit.
Moisten and flavor.
You could also add a little sour cream to that. That's kind of what I've done my old-fashioned way of. You can even do it after it's cooked because it's all going to bake.
Yeah.
So this is just getting that meat flavored.
And I'm going to put a little bit of taco seasoning in here. And
there's a shake.
I'd like to know how much. And I think that's sufficient there, just a half a tablespoon. And to go with that, we could use a little bit of water. Just enough to wet the whistle. And then, what I think would really complement this mole nicely is some tomato cooked in there. And I don't know if I'll use all this.
Save some for
That's
garnish.
about a half a tomato right there. I don't know.
And that really just needs to marry a little and warm.
Yep. And then I'm going to mix some cheese in here. And then we have to figure out the tortilla situation. So ordinarily we would make enchiladas with flour tortillas. They're easy to deal with. Just works perfectly every time. But since I can't eat flour tortillas, this is going to have corn tortillas. And I don't have a lot of experience rolling up corn tortillas like this, so
I don't either.
It's going to be interesting. But, we'll have fun, and we never shied away from adventure. All right, so I've got some hot oil here. I'm going to warm these tortillas up in the oil.
Oh, I got you a thingy. That's good. Turn.
The other side. Ooh, bubbling up.
Yeah, that's plenty. Oh, this one's gonna be really oily.
Go with another one. That one's already busted up.
It broke. Yeah. Gently.
This might not be the tool.
Okay, that's good. We're kind of new with the corn tortilla situation.
No, that's not going to work.
So we need them to be warm so that they don't break when you roll them up.
My preferred way of doing that has always been to dredge them in warm sauce.
Yeah, that's another option,
But
for sure. Nope, now the oil's on the bottom one. This will be fine.
and I still may do that.
Your choices. The oil all disappeared.
Yep. What we're doing now is warming them up.
Needs a little drizzle of oil in there.
I think so.
Because otherwise they're just going to crack when you roll them up. Which is the trickiest thing we've learned about corn tortillas, because flour just rolls easy. That's good. How many is that?
I think that's 6. But who's counting?
Yeah, I think,
How many were in here? 10. Yep.
I feel like that's probably going to be plenty.
This is 7 right here. I don't know if the pan was going to hold 6 or 8.
Well, since you have 7,
I guess we could stop with 7.
I feel like that's what I always did with the big ones even. Looks good.
Always had an even number.
No.
Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes. Try one just for starters here. Could be fuller.
Yeah. I always put sauce in the pan first, though.
Oh, that would have been a good idea. That's why I said you should do this. You'd rather back than drive.
Yeah. Hey, it feels good.
Okay,
Good.
molé in the pan.
That's pretty tricky. You have to put the folded part in the bottom so it stays there. Oh. That's plenty.
Oh, that one could have been fuller.
Well, you want to get enough in here. It's a learning.
They're rolling up fine.
Yeah, I think using bigger tortillas would be good, but this is what we had.
Hey, we make do with what we have here.
Yep. That's plenty.
Oops.
What?
Somebody's thinking about
Oh.
making a break for it.
Uh-oh.
He isn't doing it right yet, so we're still okay. Here, maybe he can do a cameo.
Oh, a cameo by
Here.
Kitty.
We're fostering little Lefty here.
He likes me too much.
He's a very nice little cat. We have him for one more day after today.
That's plenty. You gotta make it stretch.
Oh,
You're being generous. These are gonna be so good.
that's me, Mr. Generous. Yeah, that's awful. It's working out just fine, though,
Yeah.
I tell you.
Yeah, but 2 more, maybe 3 more, 2. Yeah, and you can push them over together, and
Yeah, they're still pushing.
I think that's really a good number. You know, cooking is all just go for it and see what happens, right?
That's
Except-
the way of it.
Except for like baking cakes, you have to be pretty exact for that.
Now we get to these. These were kind of
Yeah,
injured. Let's try it that way.
it's gonna be good though.
Yeah, should still be just fine.
We're using the Mexican combo shredded cheese thing. Oh, yeah. Luckily it just all bakes together and it doesn't matter.
Get that on the end, maybe. So, our little 2 packages of frozen shredded turkey.
It was probably like 2 cups, I think, which is perfect for us.
Oh man, that's just beautiful.
Okay,
Okay,
that's some sauce.
so
You're gonna need that
I
again.
am. Let's see. Let me get rid of this and bring this over.
So here's where we have the dilemma because Matthew likes it saucy and I like crispy bits. So he'll probably be generous with sauce.
I am. That's me, Mr. Generous. as we noted before. Well, you know what we don't have? We don't have
Oh,
a preheated oven.
350. Well, no, it's perfect timing. So your meat spoon works really good to smooth that around and push it in between. See, I wouldn't put that much on.
I know
Generous.
you wouldn't.
Well, because otherwise it turns into soup.
Your enchiladas are dry. No, they're not.
You've never complained about mine. That's plenty. Where'd your metal
See
spoon
if I
go?
can find that spoon again.
Yeah, just kind of like slide in between them a little bit. Looks good.
Here, I'll leave you a crispy end right there.
There you go. Thank you. Okay.
Okay,
Now some cheese.
this looks beautiful.
And I don't know what you did with the olives.
Oh. So I have to what I did with them.
Well, I put them over here for you.
You did. They're,
Oh, they're right here. Okay.
so this mole is a a Molé Rojo from Oaxaca that I got a recipe from Diana Kennedy and adapted it to things we have around. And it was really easy to make. It took like an hour and a half to make it. It didn't have as many ingredients as many moles. It had no, didn't have any raisins. It didn't have any almonds. It does have chocolate, and it's a really dark mole, dark tasting mole. It reminds me of the cuchillo mole, which was made with the black chilies.
It's good.
You think that's good?
Yeah, that's plenty of cheese.
I like lots of cheese.
I know, but I'm being a backseat driver.
Yeah.
A few of those. Optional olives. You could add like some green chilies would be kind of cool on there, or maybe some chopped jalapenos.
So things like that, green chilies or even serranos or something would be good in
Yeah.
the turkey too.
Okay.
But this mole has a little bit of heat to it, so it's going to be good. Okay, so there you have it. We're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes at 350,
Once it's bubbling.
and we're going to see what we have. Man, is this going to be good. So I just have some quartered cherry tomatoes from the greenhouse. I didn't add anything to them. Often I will add like a little lime juice or some serranos or something. But that's just going to be perfect like that. And then I have some crema.
Nice and thick.
I think I'm going to put it over here. We're not eating a balanced meal here.
You got vegetables, meat,
Wait, where's the vegetables?
the tomatoes. Oh, those are fruit.
Yeah, that's
Okay, fruit and vegetable. Some greens.
Got fruit and greens here. Whee. Okay, so there you have easy Molé Enchiladas. And
Get your fork. Let's see how that tastes. I mean, I know you've been tasting it, but
I have been tasting it, and I can tell you it is fantastic. But here we go. That's really good. The mole kind of caramelized a little while it was cooking, and with the turkey in the middle and the flavors we added to that, this is fantastic. So thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.